If you are a baker, you might have struggled making roulade or cheese roll once in your life. How do you my foodie friends? Today I will be sharing the easiest way to make roulade. Break in 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. This is the easiest way I have found to make roulade or cheese roll. With very few ingredients, almost 3 to 4 ingredients you need to make this roulade. This recipe is so easy that any amateur baker can do this. There are so many recipes I do have to make roulade, but I think I should share this one with you all so you can try at home easiest way to make roulade or cheese roll. To make this cheese roll or roulade, you need 3 eggs, and into this egg I am putting powdered sugar, which is almost 150 grams. I have used powdered sugar, but if you have, you can use castor sugar also, but don't use granular sugar. Whisk it very well until it gets fluffy or light. Once your egg and sugar mixture gets double in volume, fold in flour. Here I have taken almost 100 grams or 1 cup of flour. In this recipe, you do not need to put baking powder or baking soda. And after putting flour into the egg and sugar mixture, fold it very lightly using light hands. You can see how I am mixing it. I am just rotating my whisker. You also can use rubber spatula. And do not over mix it or it will get collapse. You want to keep as much air in the mixture possible, so do not over mix it. Now you can see the consistency. It is not so thin or too thick. Now transfer your batter onto butter paper lined baking tray. Here we have to spread it evenly to the edges of the baking tray. I am spreading it using my rubber spatula only, but if you want, you also can use your palette knife to spread it evenly. Make sure you are spreading it evenly or your sponge will come out uneven and your roll will be like not so good. After spreading it on baking tray evenly, time to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for almost 8 to 10 minutes. To check the sponge if it is ready or not, put the finger on it, it should spring back. Now scrape the sides using knife. Now you have to remove this from the tray when it is hot. To make roll out of this sponge, put butter paper and sprinkle some powdered sugar on that. Then transfer your sponge onto that powdered sugar sprinkled butter paper. As I have said, this is the easiest way to make cheese roll or roulade. Now remove the butter paper from your sponge. I tried making cheese roll when I was in first year of college, but that did not turn out good and I struggled a lot to make these rolls throughout my college days. Now roll the sponge with butter paper which we have used at the bottom. After rolling it, keep it like this for almost 10 to 15 minutes. It will help to roll it later with the filling. Now take it out and unroll it to put the filling. It might break a bit, but you do not need to worry about that. Okay, here the filling I am using is simple whipped cream. Basically jam or marmalade or cream cheese frosting goes in this roll. Now spread it evenly using palette knife. I am putting very thin layer of my whipped cream because I do not want it to ooze out from my roll. But if you want, you also can put more filling or more cream into your Swiss roll. It is very important to spread the cream evenly. If you do not spread it evenly, there will be spots in your Swiss roll where cream is less and where is cream more. Okay, after spreading the cream, I am putting this orange crush onto it to give it orange flavor. Now time to roll it finally. It might break, but you can avoid this breaking if you use 2 butter paper on top of that and at the bottom. I didn't use that extra butter paper because I wanted it to look like quite rustic Swiss roll. And I am finishing it with powdered sugar. If you want, you also can cover it with whipped cream or chocolate ganache or whatever you like. There are so many ways. Let's see how is it from inside. Okay, it is so spongy, so soft. As you can see, it's bubbling. Since it is the edge of this roll, you cannot see much cream in this. As I said, I did not want it to ooze out. And here our Swiss roll is ready. You can try this at home using only 3 ingredients: eggs, flour and sugar. That's it. If you really like this video, do please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.